P is a point on the ellipse having 3, 4 and 3, minus 2 as the ends of minor axis. If the sum of the focal distances of P be equal to 10, then its equation is, तो हमें equation of ellipse find out करनी है. So let's start by writing given. So in given we have ends of minor axis, तो हम ends को बोल देते हैं A and B. So A का coordinate 3, 4 given है, let's say, and B is 3, minus 2. Then we have sum of the focal distances of point P. So what we can say is that PF1 plus PF2, this is equals to 10, where F1, F2 क्या है? F1 and F2 are focus, are foci of ellipse. Now let's understand the solution. So in solution, सबसे पहले हमें ends of minor axis दे रखा है. So from there we can calculate the center of the ellipse. So we can say center of the ellipse will be midpoint of the ends of minor axis, that is point A and B. So center of ellipse is midpoint of AB. So midpoint of AB हम calculate कर सकते हैं by using the midpoint formula from section formula of, so midpoint of AB, this is equals to 3 plus 3 by 2 and 4 minus 2 by 2, that is x1 plus x2 by 2 and y1 plus y2 by 2. So this is equals to 3 plus 3 will be 6 by 2 is 3, then 4 minus 2 is 2, 2 by 2 is 1. So the center of ellipse is 3, 1. So we can say center of ellipse. ये आ गया. अब हमें क्या दे रखा है? The ends of minor axis, इसका यूज करके हमने सेंटर निकाला. नाउ अगर हम डिस्टेंस AB कैलकुलेट करेंगे, द डिस्टेंस AB विल बी इक्वल्स टू दी 2B, जहाँ पे B क्या है? B is the parameter of the ellipse which represents the semi minor axis. तो जो AB length होगा, that will give us the complete length of minor axis. So this should be equals to 2B. Now we can calculate AB. So जो AB distance होगा, this will be equals to under root of, using distance formula, तो यह आ जाएगा 3 minus 4 x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. So 3 minus of minus 2 whole square. So this will be equals to, right, यही है हमारे पास 3 minus 3, no it should be, हमने यहाँ पे this we have written wrong. So x2 minus x1, so 3 minus 3 का whole square आ जाएगा, then plus y2 minus y1 अगर हम देखेंगे, so y1 y2 is 4 minus 2, right? So this will be 4 minus of minus 2 whole square. So this is under root of, ये तो 0 हो जाएगा, 4 plus 2 हो जाएगा, तो 6 square is 6. So AB is equals to, distance AB is equals to 6, and from here we can see this is equals to 2B. So यहाँ से हमें मिलेगा B is equals to 3. Now what else is given to us? That this distance of the, or the sum of the focal distances of P equals to 10. तो वो PF1 plus PF2 के equal होता है. So we can write PF1 plus PF2. This is equals to 10 according to the question. Now PF1 plus PF2 ये किसके equal होता है? By definition of ellipse, this is equals to 2 times of A. That is nothing but length of major axis we can say. This is equals to 10. तो यहाँ से A आ जाएगा 5. So therefore now we can write equation of ellipse. So equation of ellipse किस तरह से लिखते हैं हम स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म में? Is x minus सेंटर का कोऑर्डिनेट्स क्या थे? लेट्स चेक दी सेंटर कोऑर्डिनेट्स 3, 1. तो यहाँ आ जाएगा x minus 3 होल स्क्वायर डिवाइडेड बाय a स्क्वायर, एंड a स्क्वायर ओवर हियर इज 5 स्क्वायर प्लस y minus 1 whole square divided by b square, and b over here is 3 square equals to 1. So finally we can write required equation of ellipse is x minus 3 whole square divided by 25 plus y minus 1 whole square divided by 9. This is equals to 1. Let's check which is the correct option. We can see that option C is the correct answer. X minus 3 whole square upon 25 plus y minus 1 whole square upon 9 equals to 1. So option C is correct. Therefore, option C is correct. Thank you.